Hey, what's up guys? T from the HID factory. Hey, today we're going to show you guys the new MoriMoto Dodge Ram taillights that everybody's been going crazy about. As we all know, I'm sure we've seen these taillights before, you know, your original taillights. Now we're going to implement these MoriMoto taillights for the 09 to 18. If you have the factory LED taillights, these do not work, okay? In this instance on this vehicle actually was converted to the LED taillights, but luckily we were able to take that harness off and install the MoriMoto. These are exactly what they look like. So you're going from this junk to this beauty right here, and as you can see, it's reflective. It's really cool. It's not anything like it, really. You know, top quality, 5-year warranty. So as you know, like the cheap eBay and Amazon lights, you know, you get that 1-year warranty, but the second that diode goes out and you're past that warranty, that money that you just invested into that tail light is gone. So now what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna show you what it looks like on the parking lot. Ooh, look at that. Look at that optical illusion. It's amazing, guys. There's nothing like it on the market, I promise you. And again, reminder, 5-year warranty. Anything goes out, it's covered. So your investment is covered. It's like insurance, you know? All right. So also what we're gonna show you is, let's go ahead and do a comparison. Obviously you see the one on the right, everybody has that one, you know, old school technology. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you the, let's go ahead and do the emergency blinkers. I'll just show you the difference in the clarity of the red. I mean, I know from the get-go you see the difference. You see this one, a little dim, whatever, yada, yada, yada. I think we got this bad boy right here. We'll turn it off real quick. And we'll turn off the light as well. This is what you're getting, guys, all right? We got them for $399 in stock. These are in stock at the moment. I know a lot of people, a lot of online websites and everybody does not have them in stock. We have them in stock right now. So come get them while you can. All right, these things are flying out the doors. Thank you for visiting us today. Have a blessed day.